Okay, so assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sorry guys if the weather is raining. So I made a lot of games in Buildbox. So let me show my new game built in Buildbox. The name is Switching Ball. So wait a minute. My screen is what? Um no. Sorry, the weather is raining, so it's a bit loud. My voice is little. So let's just go right into it. So the first that I want to show you guys is the assets. So for the character, it's a spear named Player, and the color is light yellow. Yeah, and the objects, the ground, the collection room is enemy, and then the breeze for the breeze, and the atom point for the coin. Enemy for the enemy, yes, of course, stars for the coin. At the end of the game, the dashes for the decoration, the platform for the path of the game, the winner for when you collide with it, you will win. And for the wait a minute, oh no, half ring, it's a decoration too. So let's just go into the code. Yeah. Ooh. So when you start the game, yeah. So when you start the game, it will create. You will, if you touch the screen, it will trigger the switch. When you press, it will trigger the switch, and then yeah, when you click, it'll move with the different direction. So when you click it for the first time, it can move left, it can move right, and then when you click it, it'll be backward. So like zigzag, okay. So and then for the trail is for the trail 3D model, and when you collide with the enemy, set the affected asset to enemy. Yeah. And when you collide with it, you will activate defeat enabled, and then when after the defeat, you'll get the breeze. It will explode the breeze. Yeah. And then for the asset assign, and it to the one that we made, the breeze, the ball, and then delay 0.5 seconds, and then after the delay, game over. Okay, so that's for when we collide with the enemy. So when we collide with the winner, with the cube, with the green cube that we made for the winner, yeah, and then even to menu jump, and then for the level selector, just drag it from here, right up from the right up here, left up here. Okay, drag it to enable it, and then when we collide with it, next level. That's for the player. Sorry, the weather is raining. Look behind me. It's raining hard. Wait, let's just go to the ground. Nothing. And then the breeze, yes, the breeze. Okay, so when we start, after when the breeze explosion even got caught, this what this object will when we start will will start a scale animation to 0. So it will go to little until it's removed, and then until it's gone. And then when we done for that animation, and we remove the breeze. Okay, so and then set random color from the created. Just drag it. Just search it up here. Set random color. So when the breeze explode, the color will be random. Okay, so let's go to the atom point. This is for the mesh, and and when we create it, it will rotate 200 for the Y, and then we create rotation animation 200 at Y, and then drag the start to the out, and then drag the done to the end. So when the rotation is done, it will delay 0.5 seconds, and then after the delay of 0.5 seconds, it will start the rotation animation again. Okay, so from the created, drag it to, and then add F collide. So the function of this F collide is when this object collide with the affected asset character, it will add 1 point to our point, and then 1 point, and then the feet is for the atom point, not for the character. So when we collide the feet for the atom point, and then after the defeat, it will create an animation of like a blue light, and then what is this? It's a red cube. It's a glowing red cube. So yeah, and then after the collide, it will delay 0.5 seconds. So the animation will appear first, and then after animation appeared, it will remove. Okay, and then for the enemy, start and then rotate 90 for XYZ. And then for the Taurus, it's the same, like it's the same for the Taurus as the atom point. And for the dashes, nothing, because it's only for decoration, and the platform, nothing, it's only for the path. The winner, nothing. And for the hovering, nothing. So for the ground, and now for the player first, the collection group is character, and for the physics is dynamic, and after this is all. Then the ground, collection group enemy. So when we fall into the ground, we will die. And the physics is static, and for the hovering, it's the same as the ground, the breeze, the collection group is known, and for the physics is dynamic, so it can move around. And for the atom point, the physics none, so we can collect, and it will remove immediately when we collide. For the enemy, the physics is kinematic. Is the settings, it's a normal, it's a default setting from the asset library. Okay, so for the Taurus, wait, why can't I? Okay, the collection group is coin, and for the physics static and dashes. Wait, oh no. Sorry. I know it's crashing a little bit. So for the dashes, collection group none, and the physics is static, and then for the platform, collection group platform, and the physics is static, and for the winner, collection group is none, and the physics is static too. Okay, let's get right into the scene. So for the start, we have the path here that I made. I have it's just a box that I mix with other box. Okay, and then there's an atom point for point, and there's that's our character. There's our character, and there's our decoration. Okay, and then for the first scene, that's for the start. I deleted the character because we won't we will not we won't need two characters. We only need one, so I deleted for the rest of the screen except start. Oh no, I duplicated that. Sorry, I didn't duplicate it. Okay, there's our enemy, and then there's an atom point right there, and the path is different. The path is different for the second one, but for the enemy and at some point it's the same, and it's the same for 3, but only there's a Taurus, a winner, and the different paths. Okay, let's get right into the UI screen. So when we start, it will load the main menu, and then there's a navigation button right here. So when we click the navigation button, it will move to 3D world, and then there's a UI for the 3D world. So when we play, so it will show the score, and then for the score type is points, and then the amount is current, and for the function is score. Okay, and then after the UI, there's an even up server for the game over, and then it will load the game over UI screen, and then when we press the notification button, it will restart. So for notification button, the function is restart. Set the function to restart, and then there's an event right here on the 3D world. Yeah, it's the win. So like we made the green cube for the winner, for the win. So when we collide with it, it will activate the event and then you load UI screen for the winner. So let's just rename this from the UI screen to winner screen. Okay, so it will load the winner screen, and then in the winner screen we have a navigation button right here, and then when we press the navigation button, it will load the 3D world again. So maybe let's get into it. Let's play it. Let's go into the game. So sorry. I know my friend is laughing. I don't know why, and why is he laughing. So let's just play it. So wait. Let me restart it first. So there's the UI menu, and when we click play now, it will get right into the game. So it's a simple yet fun game, and I don't know, it's addictive. Yeah, I don't know why it's filling up my boredness. I'm bored. So let me show you the game over screen. This is the game over screen. It has your score. Yes, this is my score because I only catch 1 point, and your best score is 5. Yes. Okay, so yeah, let's get into the winner score. Let me win this first. Yeah, this is the UN. So when we click the play again and press, it will move right into the game again. So yeah, that's all for my game. Sorry if I have many mistakes in my words or my pronunciation or my way to present you guys my game. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.